How to enable the auto caption generator on your Canva. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can enable the caption generator in your Canva. So if you want to enable the auto caption generator in your Canva, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to go ahead and open up your apps here. Once you have opened up your apps here, you have to search for the trans transcript here. You have to just search for the transcript. Once you have searched for the transcript, you can see the transcript audio. And here you can see the transcript audio. You can just go for that, or you can just go for the text to audio here. So if you want to auto caption generate, you have to just go for the transcript here, just go for the open option. And after that, you can just go for the transcript your audio. You have to select the font that you want to transcript. Just go for the transcript your audio. Just go for the select the font here. Also, you can choose a file that you want to transcribe here. So here you have to make sure your audio file is on MP3 here. Then you can transcribe your audio here. Just go for the also you can just go for the text to audio here and just go for the open option. So you can just go and generate the caption on here. Just go for the preview voice. You can see that. So you have to just go for the generated voice.
The doctor is a person who looks after the sick people and prescribes medicine so that the patient recovers fast. In order to become a doctor,
So you can see that. So with the help of the simple step, you can simply generate the audio and caption on your Canva. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.